Hello guys, good morning, and the weekend has started with some unplanned karcha. Okay, what is unplanned karcha? When you have a budget and then realize suddenly there is some new expense because of some disaster. So we had a disaster this morning, but I'll talk to you about that in a few minutes. I'm happy with the weather. It's a beautiful sunny day, and actually Ivanka and Karishma are just off for Ivanka's annual optician appointment. So Ivanka wears eyeglasses, and she's basically going to go check her eyes. Hopefully the number has not gone up with her use of the iPad. Ivanka, you listening to what I'm saying? Yeah, so all kids use iPads nowadays for games and many other things, especially during lockdown. I mean, what more can your kids do other than playing the iPad sometimes? But hopefully her eye is fine, and let's hope that is just a regular scheduled visit and we don't get any surprises there. So this morning, Darren, his bathroom bathtub faucet, the bathtub tap basically started a major leak, and it's leaking. I'll probably show it later, but we called the maintenance guy of the building and he's going to charge a big amount to replace it. So because he's doing it on a weekend, and because they charge more on a weekend, plus all these activities involve labor charges. So labor charges in the US are expensive. So he's gonna charge me, I'll tell you how much. Okay guys, sorry to bring you into the bathroom, but this is the faucet of the tub here. It's a tub, but it's used by my kids, so please excuse, it's not very fancy, but this is leaking water non-stop. I don't think I've ever shot a vlog in this bathroom, but this is our son's bathroom basically. So it's much smaller than our bathroom. There's no cupboard or anything, but just few weeks more in this house, and that's why I'm a little upset that we have to pay for this karcha of $250. Okay, now just to be clear, my landlord or the owner of the apartment will pay half, so that's a good thing, and we actually pay $150 and she pays the rest. So in this case I pay $150, she pays only $100. But these small things, if you fix in India, it's so cheap. But in the US, $250, he'll come now, within 10 minutes, he'll fix it and go home. And I'll be paying $250 for this leakage, which is a pain. When the bathroom taps, the basin taps leak, you can easily change it for cheaper. But I guess this bathtub is a little more work for them. So he said, it's going to be expensive. Anyways, I want to get out of the bathroom. And now that I'm in Darren's room, these are two pencil portraits that we made in Central Park for both the kids. Okay, Darren's was in 2011 at that Central Park artist, and the same artist we did it with Ivanka in 2016. So it's so cool to have both frames of your kids pencil art in their room. So now we're going to take it, put it in the new place as well. So hope you like it. Check it out. Where are you going, Karishma?
For a walk.
Walk?
Yes.
I thought I check. Why are you running away from the camera? I need content.
I'm trying to...
What? Where are you going? Look at her face, so grumpy. She doesn't like going out lazy in the morning. Okay, where are you going? Tell everyone.
Yeah, we're just going to the optician for Ivanka's
Eye check.
annual eye check.
Annual eye check. No issues with her eyes, right?
No issues.
Are you sure, Ivanka? How many numbers are these? You don't know? Okay, she's in a mood of not talking. Okay, guys, you are walking?
Yeah, we're gonna walk. It's about what, half a mile, maybe a quarter of a mile.
Yeah, good. Enjoy. Have a nice walk, Ivanka. Get your shoes on first. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay guys, sorry, I'm going from one bathroom to another. Sorry about that. So I don't even know where I have to look. I'm not expert at this mirror reflection YouTube stuff. But I just want to share the good news. My parents got their second vaccine yesterday. So I'm very happy. The second dose they got, they had to wait for 4 hours in line or whatever. My brother took them. They waited 4 hours. This is Mumbai Andheri, and they got the vaccine. So at the age of 71, they had to wait so many hours, which is sad, but they got vaccinated, and I hope they don't have any side effects. So far they're fine. No fever, nothing. So that's great. So mom and dad, if you're watching this, please take care, stay safe. I know in India everything's going in a tizzy because of COVID numbers rising. So stay safe, guys. Just stuck at home waiting for this plumber to come. He said he'll be here in about 20 minutes. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait till he repairs it. I'm going to give him this $250 check, which is, my blood is boiling because we're leaving this house, and just before leaving this house we have to start paying for these stupid things. 6 years overall we've not paid that much. The house has held up good, but when you're moving to a new house and you already have plans and renovation and cost over there, to pay something here $250 just irritates me. I would have rather bought 3 pairs of shoes with that money. But anyways, the sun is shining and New York is looking beautiful, so I'm not going to lose my good mood. And thanks for joining this video, guys. Stay safe. I know India. Okay, you're leaving?
Yeah,
Bye. Take care. Guys, I know it's crazy in Mumbai, Delhi, these places. COVID is exploding. Be careful, be safe. I know some people are hoarding oxygen cylinders in their houses. Some rich friends of mine are doing that. Avoid all that stuff, guys. Oxygen cylinders may run short. They are needed for the people in hospitals, not for you in your house to just keep it there. Please try to be, I know in the US we did the same with toilet paper, but there's a lot of difference between toilet paper and a life-saving oxygen cylinder. So just keep that in mind. I know I'm in a Gyan mode today because it's upsetting me, but I'm just happy that the vaccines are happening, and please stay safe, guys. And if you guys haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. There will be a lot of fun vlogs in summer, going to the beach. In fact, next month my best friends are coming from Arizona, UK. We are doing like a 2-day boys trip and then a full week of boys fun activities in New York and everything. So we're having like a reunion. These are my friends from school days, okay, kindergarten friends. So they've been friends with me for like 41 years, okay, kindergarten age we were friends. So those videos and vlogs are also going to come. So please subscribe. Hope you like this video. Take care, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.